Here you have ZEKE YEAGER. In this video, I'll reproduce his hairstyle and I will share with you guys some tips on how to grow a cool beard.
ZEKE, pasa ese video!
Now here you can see how I'm cutting the perimeter. I'm going around the ear and then I got a straight line going down the bottom. To shave the nape area, I would use glide, and with the feather blade, I will remove the hair. This type of blade is ideal because it has some teeth to protect the skin, but allows you to get a smooth shave. On the fourth season, he's a lot older, and with a beard, you normally look a little older. That's why I'm adding these other two pictures here so you can see how I look if you're a little younger. Here is the first one and the second picture. To start up the interior part of this haircut, I would use a horizontal parting. And Donnie and myself, we are growing our hair out. That's why you can see me leaving the back a little bit longer. You can tell that it was an undercut underneath, so you can see it was short underneath and longer on the top. So now I'm cutting a graduation from the bottom up to connect the bottom to the top. Here you can see how much I'm cutting using the French technique. Follow me on Instagram to see what I'm going to be doing next and to see some videos on the behind the scenes. Next video, Itachi. If you like to see how it turned out, check out Instagram. And please hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I will continue doing vertical sections over the crest area to complete the graduation. The style I'm creating is a little bit shorter on the nape and longer on the top, because my son and Donnie didn't want to cut it too short. On the sides, I will cut a horizontal line using the point cutting technique, just about the ear. ZEKE YEAGER look is about 1 to 2 fingers shorter about the ear in most of the pictures. On this video, I want to share with you how to grow a beard if you are young, and for the rest of you, how to take care of your beard. And Donnie took it very seriously for 2 years. When he was 16, he started the whole process. On the iPad, you can see a picture of how his hair looked last time I cut it 2 months ago. I think at that length, it looked very close to ZEKE YEAGER look. Create sharp angles and lines on the beard is fundamental to make it interesting and attractive. Keeping the hair shape under the line is critical. It's the way to go in my opinion. I will give it a shape and cut the crazy hairs using a clipper over comb. If you plan on doing this yourself, use a clippers with a desired guard. In this case, the number 4 or 5 will look great. Here in the iPad, you can see Andoni's hair growth journey for 2 years, from age 16 to 17. At the end of the haircut, I will give you 2 tips to grow your beard based on his experiences and discoveries. To cut the top area, I will project the hair at 90 degrees and I will cut it at the desired uniform length. On ZEKE hairstyle, about 4 fingers on length, and Andoni about 8 because he's trying to grow it out. Continue using the same technique around the head to finish the whole interior section. If you like this video, you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and share with your friends. It makes the biggest difference. Let's see if we can get to 50,000 by the end of this year. Counting on you! To cut the bangs area, I will comb the hair forward and retouch the ends. On the case of ZEKE hairstyle, the length should be 5 fingers, no 8 or 10 like Andoni's. Here you have the 2 tips to grow up your beard. First, you have to start using a product that has some minoxidil like Rogaine. This year, 1821 will be launching a product with Procapil, an ingredient even more effective than minoxidil. Soon I'm going to be posting a video with hair massages to help out with hair growth. Second, use a dermal roller on your face. Apply it on the area you want to grow your hair. This is going to create some small microcuts and it's going to help you out to produce more collagen. If you plan on growing a beard, it's very important that you learn how to maintain it and shape it. Here you can see Andoni creating his own line with a straight blade. On the case of ZEKE, the line is lower. The beard for a man is like a makeup for a woman. Can totally change the appearance of your face for better or for worse. A lot of you are going to grow a fantastic beard and you're going to need a product to take care of it. 1821 Beard Balm is fantastic for that. It's a mix of oils and waxes to shape your beard and keep it healthy. With this matte finish product, I will add volume and texture when I dry it with the blow dry. I will dry the top of the hair using my fingers to maintain the volume and add texture, and the brush on the nape to make it straight. When your beard is at this length or shorter, oil is ideal to take care of your hair and skin. Thank you, Andoni, for participating in this video. You rock!
This is Angel del Solar, the hairbender.